1-800-doorbell.com offers a large selection of wireless door chimes that are perfect for homes, apartments, mobile homes, or recreational vehicles. These wireless door chimes are also the best solution if you do not want to run a wire to connect a standard doorbell, or if you have a broken doorbell that you want to replace as easily and as quickly as possible. One of the most popular and easy to use wireless chimes is the RC3250 wireless plug-in door chime set. The receiver features a 2¼ inch speaker which delivers a rich quality sound. The receiver has a volume control selector for high, medium, and low. The receiver is capable of playing 13 sound options set at the push button. The receiver plugs into a standard 120 volt AC outlet with an operating range of up to 150 feet. There are 32 privacy codes available on this unit. The push button uses two 3-volt lithium batteries which are already installed. The wireless push button is shipped with mounting hardware that includes double-sided foam tape and screws so that you can decide how you would like to mount it. Once you have mounted the push button, the next step is to plug the wireless receiver into the wall and you are now operational. The RC3250 wireless plug-in door chime is expandable. For example, if you wanted to add an additional plug-in door chime, you can purchase an additional receiver, the RC3253, to have sound in a variety of rooms. You can also purchase an additional wireless push button, the RC3301, should you need one for the back door or side entrance. You can play a different sound for the front, back, and other doors. At the end of this video, you can listen to all 13 different sounds that you can select from. You can have a lot of fun changing your sounds for special events and holidays. For more information, please visit us at 1-800-DOORBELL or give us a call at 1-800-366-7235.